Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day so far. We are going to get into this stack of beauty boxes right here. I have Medusa's makeup, all 3 levels of the Ipsy here, and we're going to get a little bit infused during it, but first we have a word from my favorite sponsor ever, Bellesa. I still kind of can't believe this is real, but the world's first ever silent vibrator is here. Like, silent, sub-audible, no noise, full power. And luckily for you all today, I'm doing a giveaway with Bellesa where literally everyone wins a free toy. Meet Whisper Bullet, the world's first silent bullet vibrator. Bellesa's new Whisper tech makes sure you never need to choose between power and discretion. You can finally put your pleasure first without waking up your entire house or even your partner sleeping right next to you. Let's test it out. Exactly. You can't hear anything. Whisper Bullet is a luxurious and aesthetic little toy that packs a serious punch. She is powerful, yet somehow completely quiet. I don't get it, but I love it. The big question is, it'll stay quiet, but can you? And everyone who purchases a Whisper Bullet receives a free Whisper Bullet or Air Vibe with their order. Just click on the link down below in my description box and grab your new Vibe. That is probably my most favorite sponsor that I've ever had on the channel. I have a lot of Bellesa toys. I have also bought a lot of Bellesa toys, and also they have, I'm not even allowed to say it on here, but it's, if you go to their site, oh my God, it's made for women, by women. It is magical, it is great. It is great entertainment. Let's have a little incognito-esque fun first. This here is called the Bomb. It is a little e-rig. It's a honey melting machine. I have a full review on this thing over on my other channel. It hits hard. It's like a Puffco, but made cheaper and smaller because it has this like XL 3D chamber here. You can already see it coming out. I don't want to get this video flagged, so I'll be right back. Oh no, need more water. Now that that's all settled in, this is how I like to do these unboxings where I do a whole bunch in one video. I know it's been a while, so let's do a quick little reminder. I like to go from cheapest to most expensive. So the cheapest one is the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is $14 a month. You get 5 deluxe size, sometimes full size beauty items in here. And you do get to make a choice if you remember to make the choice. If you sign up for notifications and stuff, and I know they have an app and all that jazz as well. This is the November boxes. Did I tell you that? Actually, I think this one might be October, which is even better because Medusa's makeup is a little bit witchy. So an October box would be literally the best one that we would get. But you get to choose one thing, and it's also a value of up to $70. It used to promise $50 or more, which it was always really close. The first thing I have wasn't even in the bag. Oh, it's a 2-pack. It's a Cryo Lift eye mask. Is it just for the eyes? Look at, they even had it in a stash bag. It's like it's a little 2-pack for your 2 eyeballs. The little bit of the serum is coming out. It doesn't really smell like anything. Kind of a little bit like clay. These are the wettest eye masks I've ever seen. Look at, they are like sitting in. You can squish all that serum around. This wants a Whisper Bullet. Something from Fenty. This is the Universal, oh, there it is. The Universal Lip Luminizer. Oh my God, I love this. It's like kind of sticky and a little bit thick and gooey, but it's so good. The doe foot is ridiculous. Oh my God, it's so good. Number 3 in here, we have something from Saturday Skin. It's a carrot plus niacinamide. Can you see how empty it is? It only goes to there. It's only 8 milliliters. I do wish the samples that the brand sent were just like a little bit bigger. You're not gonna figure out if you like a moisturizer from using this like 2 times and then it being gone. Ooh. Actually, I thought it was Natasha Denona for a second, but it's not. It's from a brand called Elamon. I have a question. If you actually get the Ipsy Glam Bag, do you use the samples? Do you actually test them out? This looks like a Natasha Denona palette. It's really pretty. Ooh, I like it quite a bit. And it's super, I don't know, like this acrylic, it feels nice. I realize that when I get the sample size of things, I almost never really use them. But when I get the full size of things, I actually do use all that shit. So this stuff, the rest of the stuff is full size. This is another sample size item. This is a cleanser. Because in my opinion, when you get something this small, it's not saving you money because you don't have, like when I use all my cleanser up and I look in my drawer and I have another cleanser that I got from Ipsy or BoxyCharm, then it feels like I saved money because it was already there. That's just the way that girl math goes. But the samples don't really feel feel like a value of much of anything. And I also know that like it's not enough to make me fall in love with it. So a lot of times I don't even bother with the sample size stuff. I end up just putting them as like stocking stuffers and things like that. Was that it? That was it. That was it. And that was my rant on the Ipsy Glam Bag unintentionally. I mean, we did actually get a couple full-size items. We have a couple eye masks. This is something I would actually keep in my car. It's a nice car size or nice like fanny pack size, and this is cute for travel. These I probably just wouldn't use, and I guess that's a me thing, 'cause I'm not like a huge fan of just testing out skincare for a couple days. It has not been nice to my skin like ever. Oh my god, this is the one that I'm really excited about. Medusa's Makeup is a vegan, cruelty-free beauty brand, and they also have a subscription box, and the subscription box is super cheap. It's $22.95 here in the United States. There's also, ooh, that dab is starting to really hit now. There's also international options. This is like not a boring vegan box either. I was wrong. This one is the August one. Holy shit, it's been here for a little while, but it's their birthday box, so it's still like a special edition box. Oh, they have a coupon. It might be expired now. Birthday 20 to give you 20% off of your very first box. This box has like other bonus items in it. This is like a free thing for their birthday, a canvas tote. This is nice to have. I actually use a bunch of these, and literally all of mine have pot leaves or some sort of like stoner phrase on it, and I don't need to always have that vibe. But then all the makeup comes in this. Ooh, and it says that we get bonus items this month. I think it says 8 items in total. Oh, for their 8th birthday. That makes sense. That does make sense. It's the cutest tiny beauty sponge that I've ever seen. I literally have no use for this. My regular beauty sponge fits in there just perfectly, but this is just the cutest, tiniest thing ever. And then this might be another bonus thing. It's a nail file. So they do make their own makeup. Here's one. It's called Yes Please. This is a baked eyeshadow. It's gonna be luminescent. Does anybody else kind of secretly hate the month of November? Outside of having a birthday in the month of November, the weather turns to garbage here. Halloween is over, and that's depressing. My seasonal depression is onsetting. The clocks change. Most Thanksgiving food sucks. I'd rather just get together with my family on a regular basis than to have to do this on a random Thursday. I don't like football. That was so much less climactic than I was expecting it to be. Hold on. I think you gotta bust through like the top layer of these. That was a better one. You'd think I was a beauty guru. It's not as like blinding as I was expecting. December has its ups though, so I'm looking forward to that. We have a lip butter called Balloons. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the outer packaging is cardboard and it's balloons. It's by Jelly Pong Pong. Oh, I was expecting it to be more chapsticky, but it's a lipstick? Oh, it is actually really like, it's like tinted chapstick in a lipstick. Oh, it's even melting. I mean, I just swiped it on for a second. Look at how much of a divot I made in it. It's just melting down. It's probably not best in this form. It probably should be in like a tube. It's so cute. This is from Galactic. It's called Gloss Armor, and it's this like gold heart tube. This is the cutest thing. It's like blocks. It smells like 10th grade. It's just clear with pink glitter though. Like there's nothing, I don't know. I do really like it. See, I told you this box is so much fun. It actually has like, I don't know, it's super exciting. This is another thing that they made. It's called Lavender Moon Sparkle Bath Soak with Epsom salt and biodegradable glitter. It doesn't even smell like crazy amounts of lavender, and that is like finely milled Epsom salt. You see the little glitters in there too? How fun is that? Oh, there's still 2 more things in here. This is a fun little brush. It's iridescent pink. I love these for eyebrows. Smudging your liner. Awesome brush for that. That's such a pretty brush. This is from Hello Style. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow duo. It's very like Hello Kitty-ish, but not. Oh, what the heck is this? A trio? It's cute. It kind of feels like play makeup though, like for little kids. But it is cute. See, I told you this box is fun. The whole value of this box is $87.90. And yeah, we got 8 different things in it. We are officially halfway through the boxes. This one comes in. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, also now known as the BoxyCharm. It comes in at $30 per month, and you do get to make a choice. Or no, you get to make 3 choices with this one, if you recall to do that. I think... I thought I cut myself for a second. I'm okay. It was just paper. I think it's on like November 18th though. So set a reminder. This is all full-size items, and it is already, it's so cute. It feels like they did like a purpley pink theme this month. This is a 3-piece brush set, an oval shader, a mini complexion, and a flat fluffy shadow. These are actually 3 brush types that I literally never use, but that is so cute. That'll make it so cute in like a little grab bag, right? And then we have this also in the super cute packaging, Violet Voss Disco Drip. You fully expect this one to be like fully bright colors. Let's see. Oh, I just touched one. Oh wow, look at, hardly even had to try to swatch that blue. It's, wow, it's a really good palette. Is it all shimmers? It kind of is. There's a base neutral color here. I guess that's helpful. And then all of the rest of these are shimmer. I hardly even touched it, and that is more shimmery than the baked eyeshadow over here. That is a solid little palette. This is like the 3rd month. I haven't even shown you all the other months. I just unboxed them for myself. This is, but this is the 3rd month in a row I've gotten some sort of perfume in here, and they all have, I think it's tonka bean that I hate. This one's Dulce, very vanilla. I used to hate vanilla. Vanilla, hinoki wood, and nude musk. It says it feels like long kisses, mixtapes, and sweet dreams. It's basically just vanilla perfume. I smell nothing else. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is Dew of the Gods lip butter. I cannot put on any more lip stuff, but Dew of the Gods apple lip butter, this is probably phenomenal. I feel like I'm missing out truly right now. And then Ren Clean Skincare PHA exfoliant facial. This is the one of the only brands that I've gotten in the beauty boxes that I've noticed an actual difference benefiting my skin and not doing damage by like a couple days free sample and upsetting it and stuff like that. So it says it's gentle. It's also vegan. Wow, they did a really good job making sure that this box was like, I don't know, a little bit more ethical. I really liked that one. Truly more than I normally do. Even these brushes, this I could stick in my daughter's stocking or do like make a gift basket for the school for like a giveaway around the holidays. That's so much fun. This too, Apple Sugar Plum. That's probably awesome. I feel like we're having, I'm getting surrounded here. I feel like we're having such a good month. We have the Icon box last. So this is a box that is $60 per quarter. It upgrades whatever box you currently have, whether that be the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus / BoxyCharm to the Icon box, and you get this instead. You get 8 full-size items in here, curated by somebody who knows what they're talking about apparently in beauty, whether they are an influencer or a creator or a brand owner or whoever you would deem to be an icon. Usually it's a celebrity of some sort. Let's see who it is this time. Oh my god, I didn't know who that was. Do you all know who that is? It's Lisa Vanderpump. I had no clue. I don't know her credentials as far as beauty. It looks like that she just has a passion for it because I know for sure she owns the restaurants, right? And there was definitely a TV show, but I don't know if she knows anything about makeup. I think you do get to make a choice of like 4, maybe even 5 of the items in here, and then the remaining items are curated based on your profile by Lisa Vanderpump herself. Let's start with this gigantic bottle. I bet you this smells so freaking good. It's Fenty Skin. It's the Cherry Body Scrub. I have been using a face scrub in the shower as a body scrub because, I mean, it definitely works. It works really well, actually. And because a lot of the face scrubs have like skin acne benefiting ingredients, I feel like it helps just overall body. I'm about to go jump in another shower just to have that, just to test that out. This is the only one that actually tells us the pricing as we go along. So this, $36. That's where we're at so far. Next up we have from Origins. Do they still have those stores? I remember going into the Origin store ones, and the guy that was, he was like giving out samples of some hair oil. He just played with my hair and massaged my scalp for like 20 minutes. It was one of the best, most orgasmic experiences I ever had in a store ever. The bottle is decent size, but I was kind of expecting bigger. That's why I'm showing it to you up close. I was expecting bigger out of a full size box. This is 1.7 fluid ounces. Oh, it's not a cleanser. It's a daily moisturizer. That's an average size daily moisturizer. Broad spectrum SPF 30 in it. I do wear sunscreen every single day. 4 different types of sunscreen in it that somehow add up to 30%. I understand that's not how SPF works, but those are all of the ingredients. That's kind of a lot. I will probably have a reaction to at least one of those, and it will cause me to break out. I'm a little nervous. This thing is $38. That takes care of the price of the box. If those are 2 things that you would use, then you definitely got your value for it. And we still have so many things in here. Next up, a little palette, a pretty decent sized palette actually, from Tarte called the Tartelette Juicy. It is a solid hard plastic. This feels like it's giftable for sure. I like this one. This is a palette that I would probably use the shit out of. It goes like light to dark. You have a mix of shimmers and mattes in there, a full mirror. That's a fun one. Amazonian clay. That's a place I've literally always wanted to go in my life. Since learning about it in the 5th grade, the Amazon, I've literally always wanted to go there. Next up is that Keys Soul Care. This is Alicia Keys' brand. She actually did an entire box like maybe at the beginning of this year. It had 3 or 4 things in it. I couldn't use any of it because none of it was really for oily skin. But this one I think is good for everybody. It's also clean, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free. This is the Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum with marine bamboo and hyaluronic acid. So basically it's just like a moisturizing serum, and it's going into winter, and even if you have oily skin, you probably have some areas of your skin that get dry, and it's not a cream, but it's like a booster. You could put this between your toner and your moisturizer. That was way too much. 1 pump might even be too much. It feels so good too. Oh my God. I have hope for this one. Has no smell whatsoever. Ooh, this is such a good box. Next up is from Amika. I love this brand too. I really like this lady. Lisa, you are killing it. This is called the Hydro Rush Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner of some sort. It has a spray bottle top, which I appreciate. These mist so much better than the little pump things. There we go. It smells very clean. That smells good. Oh my God. Packed with hyaluronic acid, biofermented coconut water, this creamy leave-in conditioner deeply moisturizes, detangles, reduces frizz, improves manageability. We literally just need it. I needed to get one of these for my daughter. She has curly hair and it's very dry. It's very, when she goes underwater and she comes back up, her scalp is still dry. That's how like resistant to water it is. This is probably gonna end up being hers. We still have a few items left. I think these things are gonna be makeup items actually. Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I've actually gotten this before. I think I got it in that Macy's beauty box. Or the Allure beauty box. That was another one that would send a ton of sample, and it's a mess. It was smoky for me. It's very thickening. This feels like a Hollywood LA skincare kind of thing. Clean Performance Awakening Eye Cream. This is such a little bottle. 15 ml. It's only a ½ ounce. How much is this? $45. That's not bad for an eye cream. The last thing that's in the box. It's the Laura Mercier. It's an eyeliner. It's in the shade Dark Plum. And if I look really closely at her eyes look like the same as my eyes. And if she thinks that Dark Plum's a good color, she seems super trustworthy. Oh, that hand's got a lot of moisturizer. Oh wow, that is not at all what I expected. That is damn near black. Where's that brush? Oh no. That brush just basically brushed it away. Okay, hang on. This eyeliner cannot be that difficult. So I don't see any plum in it. Oh, once it dries down though, it's not moving. But immediately after putting it on and trying to blend it out, I just kept on basically erasing it. That was also a good box. I feel like this was a really good month. Even though the Medusa's makeup one actually came from August, I feel like all of those boxes were a lot of fun that I would use 90-70% of what came in the boxes if we're being honest. But also, I have some Christmas presents. That's exciting. Just as a quick reminder, don't forget to check out our giveaway down below in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Everyone who purchases a Whisper Bullet receives a free Whisper Bullet or Air Vibe with their order. Let me tell you, the Air Vibe is an excellent little toy. I'll have all of the information down below. Huge shout out to all of my patrons for making videos like this possible. And again, to Balesa for sponsoring today's video. Love you all so damn much. I'll see you next time. Bye.